In this video, I will show you how to do lemmatization using spaCy in Python. The goal of lemmatization is to reduce different forms of a word to a common base form. Let me first explain you this with some example and then we will do some coding in Python. In lemmatization, we reduce different forms of a word to a common base form. For example, here you will see we have am, are, is, and the common base of all these words are be. Then we have car, cars, car, and then this we have this cars here. The common base of these words are car. Whenever we will apply the lemmatization, all this word will be reduced to its common base. For example, if you see in your sentence, if you see there is am, are, is, it will be reduced to be. And if you see car, cars, cars, it will be reduced to car. And here we have one example. The boys' cars are different colors. This is the original example, and the after applying the lemmatization, the example would become something like this. The boy car be differ color. The form of the original form of these words will be the boy car, cars will become car, are will become be, and different will become differ, and colors will become color. So this is the original sentence and this is the lemmatized sentence where we have reduced the forms of all the words to their base form. Now let us go to the Jupyter notebook and do some coding and see how it works in spaCy. Let's import spaCy. Import spaCy. Next we will import the English language model. I will make one object NLP and I will call this class spaCy.load. Inside this en underscore core underscore web underscore sm. This is the English language model name. Let's execute our code. Now I'll make one variable doc. In this I will save one sentence. I will call this object NLP and then I will write one statement. Let's say I will write I am recording video. Let's execute our code, and if I print this object doc, you will see I have this I am recording video here. And now let us tokenize it. I will write for token in document print token dot text. So we have this text here, I am recording video, or this will be videos. And so we have this I am recording videos here. Now I will lemmatize it. So this recording videos, so here am will become b and videos will become video. The s will go, that is it will come to its root form. And now let us apply that. So I will write another for loop for token in doc print token dot lemma, and let's execute our code. And here in the output you can see this, we have this first I, then am got converted to b, and from recording it has converted to its base form record, and then videos has become video. After applying the lemmatization, all the words came into its root form. Let us see one more example. I'll make one document, I'll make one variable document doc, then I will call this object NLP, and let me write something. I love swimming but I hate jogging. This is a random sentence because I don't know swimming so it's not about me. Let us execute our code, and if I print doc, so we have this statement or this sentence, I love swimming but I hate jogging. Now we will apply this lemmatization and then we will see here swimming will become swim and jogging will become jog. So I'll run a for loop for token in doc print token dot lemma underscore, and here in the output you can see we have I love swim but I hate jog. So I'll run a for So this swimming and jogging came to its root form, that is swim and jog. And if you want to get the number behind the lemma, that there, then you can just remove the underscore from lemma. So if I remove this underscore, and now you will get the numbers there instead of the. So these are the numbers, that is the location of the text or the location of the memory where it is stored. So if you remove that underscore, you will get some numbers here, but you always use this underscore here. I was just showing you, but don't use this. Always put this underscore and get the root word or the original form of the word. And this is how you can do lemmatization using spaCy in Python. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.